Hello everyone, this is the Dark Soul 5492 here, and I am here to make an unboxing of the 1/72 HMM by STK, the Lightning Saix. Well, this kit first appeared in the Zoid's Chaotic Century, which is a test Zoid being piloted by Irvine. And at that time of the Zoids series, this is the fastest running machine, and I'll show you guys the box. And let's not waste time here, and let's open this one. Well, on top here is the manual, which is quite thick. The paper is really nice. Here are the runners or the sprues, the construction of the Lightning Saix, which is a very common construction where you start building the head first, and then going through the body and the legs, and lastly the weapons. And here is the application of its decals, and here is the color guide. On top here, the box is really big, but the runners or the parts are not that many. Well, first here is our parts for the legs. In this part are for the legs. This is for the cockpit. This is for the jaw, the eyes, and some parts are, I think, for its weapon, and tubings for its legs. Next is a duplicate runner, which consists of its armors. And this part here is its weapon. This part here are four runners, which are the same parts, which is a silver like color, and this one consists of the feet of the Lightning Saix. This part consists of the parts that I'm not yet familiar with. Well, this one is for the pilot, and behind that is the tubings also for the hydraulics of the Lightning Saix. This one here has the Zoid core, and the rest are for the I think this is for the gun, and this one are for, I think this one is for the tail, and this part here for the legs. Here we have the only larger runner or the sprue of the Lightning Saix, which consists of a brownish color runner here, which consists of the body of the Lightning Saix, and a red parts here, which consists of the red parts of the Lightning Saix. Next are the round parts that connects the joints of the Lightning Saix. Here is a rubber tubing and the polycaps of this kit. Here are the other parts of the weapon and 2 H runners for the legs of the Lightning Saix. Oh, I guess I'm wrong. Another huge runners here, which consists of a lightish black and silver, more silver parts for the Lightning Saix. And this one is mostly, well, this part here is on the hind portion of the body of the Lightning Saix. I think this one is on the middle. Some more parts for the front of the body, or the torso area of the Lightning Saix. The part of the legs again, the chest, and the rest are the armor of the Lightning Saix, which this one is for the head, the neck, the body. This part consists a lot of parts of for the body, and I guess that's it. And lastly, here are the jackals of the Lightning Saix, which they should have made a water slide than a peel off. Don't really like how they do this, and I think I'm not going to use that. I still have the water slide decals of the Saber Tiger. I think I'll use that, and I'll start building this kit now. Well, that's it for this unboxing, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.